Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 to PST export, a step-by-step guide. Are you searching for a reliable method to backup or archive your Office 365 mailbox data? EdbMails provides a secure and efficient solution for exporting your Office 365 mailboxes to PST format, ensuring your data remains intact. With EdbMails Office 365 migration software, you can quickly export your Office 365 mailbox data including emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and notes directly to a PST file with just a few clicks. Experience the ease of exporting your Office 365 data with EdbMails. Our user-friendly tool guarantees reliability and high performance for export operation requirements. Let's start the export process step by step. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Office 365 migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Connect to your Office 365 source server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-in page. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Now, click the Export to Outlook PST button. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. If you want to split your large-size PST file, click here. Click Continue. Give a name for export job. Click Continue. Select the export method. Click Continue. Select the location to store the exported data. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.